Hey, I'm at 114 Princeton Circle in Forney, Texas, and I've got a great home for you. New roof, new carpet, new HVAC, lots of great stuff to fall in love with. So hey, follow me. This lovely 3-bedroom and 2-bath home is in a desirable and established neighborhood. The home features an open floor plan with living and dining areas and a good amount of natural light. The kitchen is well equipped with granite countertops, new flooring, and a gas range. The home's interior has been freshly painted in neutral colors, and new carpet was installed in 2 bedrooms, which offers a clean aesthetic sure to please any buyer. Other recent updates include a new roof, new HVAC unit, and a new water heater. With a great location near downtown Forney, close proximity to a park and walking trails, plus it offers easy access to the highways, this is the perfect place to call home. Hey, so once again, 114 Princeton Circle, Forney, Texas. Come out and hey, when you do, make a point to look at the backyard and the view from the backyard. You're gonna love it. Hey, you can contact me directly, Sam Thomas, 469-298-9786. Thank you.